In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wave shape in Canva. First, head over to the Apps tab on the left side of your screen, then search CanWave in the search bar. This is an app in Canva that you can use to create wave patterns for your designs. Just click this open button to start using it. Now to make the wave, you have to choose the wave type first. There are solid, gradients, and line. You can see the preview of the wave right down here. For this video, I'll just stick with the solid type. Then you can choose the shape of the wave, whether it is curved or pointy like this. After that, you can set the number of layers. I'll just stick with these 3 layers, but you can also make more or less layers if you want. Now to change the color, just click this color option right here. Here you can just play around with this color picker, or you can also type a hex code if you have one, and it will change right away. After you choose the color, you can set the color variation here. Then you can set the complexity of the wave. And lastly, set the height variation. Okay, once you think the wave is already perfect, you can click this Add to Design button. Then you can just adjust the size like this, or place it anywhere that you want in your design. And that's how you make a wave shape in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.